So this is a video to show you how you can use the whiteboards when you're teaching or when you're making a presentation in Zoom. Okay, so let me just go to my contacts and I'll call this person, which is myself. So I'm just calling my other account. Okay. Okay, so I'll just mute so that I won't have feedback. This okay. So now it's connected. Okay, so now I am in class. Okay, let me mute. Okay. Okay, so when you want to share now when you want to be able now to use the when you want now to use the whiteboard, now you go to share. You go to share here. And then when you say share now, it will pop up. There'll be sort of like a pop up of a lot of different all the things that you will have opened. Uh, this is File Explorer. This is a web browser. This is Skype. I'm also opening Skype here. This one. So and then BitTorrent is also open here. So I'll make another video to show you how you can be able now to share whatever that you want to be sharing like in real time. Okay. And then now we go now to whiteboards. So there's my whiteboard, and then you press share. So you just click on it, and then you press share. So now you come out, the whiteboard will come out like this now, and then now you can go depending on what you want to do. If you want to write any text, you can just click here on text, and then from there I can type anything that I want. So as I am typing now, the other person will also be viewing whatever that I'll be typing, and then other person also will be able also to write on this whiteboard. Okay, if I want to erase, I can just erase. If I want to draw shapes, I've got a lot of different options. So this is when you want to write freehand, maybe you say 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, something like this. If you want to draw, you can draw like this, and you can also change the color here under formats. Okay, so I want to change my color to, let's say, blue. So I'll put my eyes here in blue, and then the nose, and then the mouth, and then maybe I want to change another color. Let's say this color for the ears. So there you are. Okay, so this is this one. And then you've got different brushes. You can also use this brush, and I can also change the color on this one as well, etc., etc. So you can do a lot of things with this. And then you also have shapes. Here, this one now, you can also change the color here. So what you can do with this now is limitless. Okay, there are no limits to this one now. You can also draw circles and empty circles as well, etc., etc. Okay, and then there's an eraser here, and then if you want to delete everything that you will have done, you just go here, and then you say clear all drawings or clear my drawings. Okay, and also if you want to, if you made a mistake and then you want to undo, you just go here and click undo, and then you remove the last thing that you have done. Then if you think now maybe you click here on mistake or by mistake, and then you want to put back what you have removed, you just come here where it says redo, and then when you click it now, it will come back. So this is how you can actually do it, even if you're doing with maths. It's easy, like I've showed you, here on when you're using 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. You can do square roots depending now with the easiness of your hands. X, and the good thing now is in real time. The moment that you just type in to say this plus that, it will also show on the other person that you've already typed. So it's that's the main advantage to say it's real time. It will be right on in the moment the other person now also be able to see what should be writing on the board. So it will appear if you are in class and then you are actually writing on the whiteboard in class. So this is how to use a whiteboard on Zoom. Okay, so now after maybe you are done now with the sharing now, you can just go and first you clear all the drawings first, and then you go to stop share. So when you stop sharing now, it will go back to the video feed now. And then in the video feed as well, you can use this formatting. Here will be the person that you'll be talking to. This will be you, so that you can see yourself. And then with the grid view now, it will be shown like this. Okay, so this is how to use a whiteboard on Zoom. So don't forget now to subscribe so that you won't miss any of our future videos. Okay, so bye for now.